Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into something super handy. How to extend your hotel stay on Expedia in 2025. Whether you're on a spontaneous trip or just need a few extra days to relax, Expedia makes it straightforward with their updated features. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Expedia account. If you don't have one, it's quick to sign up. Just head to the Expedia website or app and create an account using your email. Once you're in, navigate to the Trips section. This is where all your upcoming bookings are listed. It's like your personal travel dashboard. Now, find the specific hotel booking you want to extend. Click on it to open the details. Look for the Modify Booking or Edit Trip button. Expedia has made this more prominent in 2025 for easier access. When you click that, you'll see options to change your dates. Simply adjust the checkout date to the new one you need. Keep in mind, availability might vary, so check for any price changes or additional fees up front. If the hotel has rooms available, you'll get a confirmation prompt. Double-check everything: the new dates, the total cost, and any cancellation policies. In 2025, Expedia's AI assistant might even suggest the best extension options based on your preferences, like adding amenities or nearby activities. Once you're happy, hit Confirm Changes and complete the payment if required. It's that simple. One quick tip: always do this as early as possible to avoid any last-minute issues. Hotels can fill up fast, especially during peak seasons. Also, if you're extending for a special reason, like a flight delay, check if Expedia's new flexibility policies in 2025 can waive fees. There you have it. Extending your hotel stay on Expedia is a breeze. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more travel tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Safe travels, and I'll see you in the next one.